Hello guys, I'm Joe Taylor. Today's tutorial will be on how to fix a zipper. To fix your zip, all you need to do is to sew a temporary stitch from the starting point of your zipper to wherever the zip will stop. As you can see here, I've already made the stitch, a temporary stitch. This stitch is not as stable, yes, it's not as stable as permanent stitch. As you can see, it is a gather stitch and the length is long. If I want to pull it or lose it, it is easy to lose. See, my fabric is gathering. So let's assume my zipper is going to stop here. All I need to do is to lock the stitch by back stitching and sewing the normal straight stitch to the end. This time around, I've adjusted the stitch length, like I increase it, is now tighter. Then after sewing like this, I'll take this to my ironing table and press flat. I've ironed my zipper allowance, and after ironing, you lose your temporary stitch. You lose it. So after losing it like this, I'll take my zipper. I'm going to use this zipper. I'm using a contrasting color so you guys can see what I'm doing very well. Then this is the wrong side of my garment, my fabric, and this is the right side. So, and my zipper, this is the right side of my zipper, this is the wrong side. All I'm going to do is to take the zipper right side, facing the right side of the fabric, and pin it down using this crease. I don't know if you guys can see this. There is a crease where I made stitch before. There's a crease there. I'm going to pin this zipper right side, facing the right side of my fabric. I'll pin it down, making sure that this zipper stopper align with the starting point of my zipper allowance. I will pin it down right side of my skirt, the right side of my zipper facing each other. I will pin this side, the left side of this zipper. I will pin it to the right side, the right hand side of my skirt block, this way, so that after sewing, if I turn it inside, I'll have something like this, and here is going to go into this left hand side. Let me take that again. The right side of my skirt, the right side of my zipper facing the right side of my skirt, but this my skirt block, this is the right hand piece of the skirt block, and my zipper, let me open it. This is the right hand side, this is the left hand side. So what I'm going to do is to pin this left part of my zipper to the right side of my block, but with the correct side, the right side of the zipper and the right side of my fabric facing each other. I'm going to pin this down and I'll show us. So hello guys, I've pinned it. As you can see here, I've pinned it. After pinning, it's going to look like this. pinning. I've not made any stitch, I've not sewed, I just pin it. After pinning, if you zip it, you have something like this. So all I'm going to do after pinning, is to take this to my sewing machine and sew very close to the zipper teeth. I'm not going to sew on the zipper teeth, I'm going to sew very close to it. I'll sew from here down to around there before the stopper, cross to this side and sew down here, and that is it on how to fix zipper. It is as simple and as easy as that. Let me just go and do it. And here I finished stitching the zipper in place. And you can see it is looking nice. So this is how to fix a zipper, how to install a zipper